Hey North Valley, this is Sarah, and here are some things you need to know. Here at North Valley, we believe that baptism is a public proclamation of the new life you found in Christ, and we would like to make that available to you. If you have any desire or would like to speak with someone about baptism, simply write that you are interested in baptism on your circle card. Place the circle card in the offering baskets on your way out, and someone will contact you soon. Our next baptism is taking place at the upcoming C3 event. Our next C3 event is taking place soon. Join us for a great meal and celebration worship with our South Roebuck campus. Mark your calendar for the upcoming combined campus celebration today. You can make reservations by completing the tear-off in your iWorship guide and placing it in the offering baskets on your way out. Meals cost $5 per adult and $2.50 per child. There's a place for you at NVC. Every day, volunteers are hard at work to make sure your worship experience is the best it can be. If you'd like to serve on a volunteer team, complete your circle card and write volunteer at the top. Place in the offering basket on your way out, and someone will be in touch with you soon. Your financial giving is making a difference in our community. Because of your support, 50 preschool children learned about Jesus in chapel last Wednesday. You are making a difference for eternity.